Hey traders, welcome to a new video where I'm going to show you one of the easiest profitable strategies that exist. Let's dive right in. When we go to the Indicators tab, we're looking for the indicator named RSI 3 graph. Now let's open the settings menu of the indicator and change some values to have a better and clear vision. You can always pause the video if it goes too fast. Now we're all set. As you can see, you have 3 lines. These are different RSI values 24, 14, and 9. We are looking for sell positions when all the 3 lines are above the yellow line. When all the 3 lines cross back underneath the yellow line within 3 candles, then we can take a short position on the candle close. So right here we can enter. We set the stop loss on the last swing high, and our target profit is on risk reward 1 to 1.5. Now let me show you another entry. The price tried to cross down, but the first try it didn't work. But the second try they all crossed in between 2 candles, so we can take a short position right here. Risk reward on 1 to 1.5 and we're all set. Now let's look for another entry, but this time a long position. So when all the RSI lines are underneath the yellow line, then we're looking for a long position. And when all the lines cross back up the yellow line, that is where we can take an entry, but only after the candle is closed. This is a really easy to use strategy when you're scalping on the 5-minute chart, and I hope you can make a good use of it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you want to see more content like this.